No matter how much theory and content you consume and read around SEO, until you start doing it is when you realize the nuance involved within everything. Someone starts a new website and they're like, what I've heard is I need to create great content. And if I create enough great content, I'll rank. There's a fundamental jump from the creation of great content to getting results that is often missed. A big part of this is backlinks. They start a new site, they create a bunch of content. They'll often say, I'm going to publish 5 blog articles a week for the next 10 weeks. When you think about that logically, from outside of a search point of view, it's kind of a logical way to approach a project. A lot of other projects are focused on output. So then you start doing that and you very quickly realize after 6 or 7 weeks that barely anything's ranking. Maybe you get semi-lucky and a few things are trickling in, but based on your expectation, it's usually never getting close to where you would expect it to be. What I see a lot of people do is they try to answer the problem with more volume. Imagine that in the context of paid advertising. You spend 100K and you get really bad CPA. Tell you what, let's spend 200K. You would never do that. People will ramp up 10 pieces of content per week, 20 pieces of content per week. There's a cost associated with this, whether it be time or cash. It still doesn't work. And then they realize, I need to do something different. I need to pivot. It's one of the few situations with SEO where people fall into the trap of trying to do twice as much of the thing that isn't working and hoping that that will then deliver results.